Welcome back. You're watching the sixth match in round 2 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently have both Vaz Preparatory and Eltham Park Primary tied on 17 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with regional affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. She is Charlene Cartwright Robinson, the premier of the Turks and Caicos Islands. Sports. With which sport would you associate the American Russell Westbrook? Vaz?
Basketball.
Basketball.
Correct. Bible knowledge. What was the profession of Matthew, who was Vaz?
A tax collector. Tax collector.
Who was called by Jesus to be one of his disciples? Correct. Science. What is the name for the special nerve ending that can sense changes in or stimuli inside and outside? Vaz?
Receptors. Receptors.
The environment? Incorrect. Sensor. Well, the judges have accepted your answer. Correct. English language. What part of speech is used to indicate surprise and alarm? Vaz?
Interjection. Interjection.
Correct. Music. What is the stage name for the local reggae artiste Ventrice Morgan? Vaz?
Queen Africa. Queen Africa.
Correct. General knowledge. What is the second most common gas found in the air we... Eltham Park.
Oxygen.
That
Oxygen.
we breathe? Correct. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actor. Ryan Gosling. Mathematics. What is the product of 10,000 and 0.045? Eltham Park. Bell came first. 450. Social studies. Michael Holding is to cricket as Vaz Prep.
Track and field. Track and field.
As Hazley Crawford is to what? Track and field is correct. Television. On which day of the week is the entertainment program Intense? Eltham Park.
Saturday.
Broadcast on TVJ. Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Vaz.
Michael Ricketts. Michael Ricketts.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which mother brought her son a coat every year? Eltham Park.
Anna.
Hannah.
Incorrect. Samuel. Science. That was correct. Science to you. What is the name for the using of waste material to make new products? Vaz.
Recycling.
Recycling.
Correct. English language. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? Mark was waiting for ages. Vaz Prep.
Exaggeration.
For his mom to pick him up at school. Incorrect. Hyperbole. Music. Jephthah McClymont is the birth name of which Jamaican singer? Luciano. General knowledge. Adolf Hitler was born in what country? Vaz.
Germany. Germany.
Incorrect. Austria. Local affairs. Who is the only parliamentary secretary in the current government of Jamaica? Robert Nestor Morgan. Mathematics. What is the perimeter of a square with an area of 81 centimeters? Eltham Park. 36 centimeters. Social studies. What is the name of the national music of the Dominican Republic? Vaz.
Merengue. Merengue.
Correct. Bible knowledge. What was the profession of the disciple of Jesus named Matthew? Vaz.
Tax collector. Tax collector.
Correct. English language. What is the superlative of the word well? Eltham Park.
Best.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round. The final scores are Vaz Prep on 33 and Eltham Park Primary on 21. So congratulations to Vaz Prep and a very close game played by Eltham Park Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.